Hey, English learners. Have you ever asked yourself, can I learn English while I sleep? Is that even real? Hi, I'm Emily, and welcome to Flutalk English. Today, I'll tell you the truth about learning English in your sleep. Let's talk about it. Many people think, if I play English audio while I sleep, maybe I will remember the words without studying. Sounds easy, right? But here's what you need to know. When you sleep, your brain is resting, but sometimes your brain still listens. That means, if you hear English during sleep, your brain may remember it better. Only if you already learned those words before. So no, you cannot learn new English while you sleep. But if you listen to English you studied earlier, it can help you remember better the next day. Here's a smart way to try it. First, study English in the day. Then, before sleep, play the same words or sentences again. Use soft audio, something relaxing. Your brain will hear it again and again, and that can help you remember faster. So does it work? Yes, but only if you also study while you are awake. It's not magic, but it's a helpful trick. Try it tonight and see how you feel tomorrow. And tell me in the comments, do you believe in sleep learning? Type, I'm learning in my sleep if you're ready to try it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Flutalk English. Let's keep learning, day and night, together. See you next time. Sweet dreams.